my god, guys. I just got a package from YouTube. See this? Package from YouTube. I cannot believe it. I was at home just sitting down on the couch, watching some YouTube videos on my phone, and then the mailman comes. You hear a knock at the door, I get mail. Then I go. My grandma tells me to check who's at the door, and it's just mail. I have no idea. Oh my god. Guys, YouTube sent me a play button. The 50 subscriber play button. The aluminum play button. Rumors say that there's the 10 subscriber play button, but I guess it turned to a 50. Oh my god. Look, it's my play button. Congratulations on reaching 50 subscribers. Milky Magic with my name on it. Yay! I'm so proud. You know how I'm gonna hang this up? I'm gonna hang this up with my picture. Get out of here, you piece of garbage. Ow, 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 ow. Hold on, let me get it back. I'm gonna hang this up.
انت مش قلت لي هنام؟
وانا نمت شوية.
نمت شوية؟
I failed to hang it up. I failed to hang it. And then the box fell on the ground and my grandma came into the room. Although, but for real, I didn't actually get a package from YouTube. I wish I did, but I'm calling this my play button. I'm going to call this my 50 subscriber play button. Now, I hinted to this in the last video, which you probably noticed. Anyway, I'm going to make a video later I'm going to call, I don't know. It's going to be a meme video. Although, since I have to get it out on Monday, it's going to be like 30 seconds short. Probably. Anyway, some of you might know that. Anyway, today I'm going to be busy later in the afternoon because Ramadan I've been doing this thing called fasting where I don't eat and I only eat at 8. And today is the last day to do that. So, since it is the last day, I'm going to be busy today and tomorrow. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Bye.